Imagine you're living 20,000 years ago. No phone, no TV, no books, no internet. And for the third day in a row, it's raining. The hunting trails have turned to mud. The animals have disappeared. The sky is dark, and your entire tribe is trapped inside a cave. So what exactly did ancient humans do all day? Did they just sit there bored out of their minds? Or did those rainy days secretly shape humanity itself? Most people imagine ancient humans as constantly hunting mammoths and fighting for survival, but that's not how life worked. Just like us, they had downtime, and rainy days created a lot of it. When heavy rain arrived, hunting became dangerous, tracks disappeared, weapons became slippery, visibility dropped. A hunter could easily get injured miles away from the safety of the tribe. So many groups simply stayed put. Entire families gathered inside caves and shelters waiting for better weather. At first, this sounds boring, but something interesting happened. When people stopped moving, they started talking. A lot. Anthropologists believe storytelling became one of humanity's oldest forms of entertainment. Imagine sitting around a fire while rain echoed outside. An elder begins telling stories about giant animals, dangerous hunts, mysterious spirits, or legendary ancestors. For children, it was better than television. For adults, it was how knowledge survived. These stories weren't just entertainment, they were survival manuals disguised as stories. A tale about a foolish hunter could teach caution. A story about a dangerous river could save lives. Rainy days became classrooms, and everyone was a student. Children probably had the best time. Think about modern kids. Give them enough time and they'll invent games out of anything. Ancient children were no different. They played with stones, sticks, bones, footprints in mud. They raced, pretended to hunt, and copied adults. Many of the skills they needed later in life were learned through play. Meanwhile, adults stayed busy because survival didn't stop when it rained. Broken spears needed repairs, animal skins needed stitching, tools needed sharpening. Rainy days were maintenance days, the ancient version of fixing things around the house, and then there was planning. Humans have always been obsessed with the future. While rain poured outside, hunters discussed where animals might move next. They remembered migration routes, shared observations, made predictions. In a strange way, rainy days may have helped humans become better thinkers. But perhaps the most important thing happening inside those shelters wasn't work. It was bonding. For thousands of years, survival depended on your tribe. Being liked mattered. Trust mattered. Friendship mattered. Rainy days created opportunities for conversations that normally wouldn't happen. People laughed, shared experiences, built relationships, and strengthened the social bonds that kept the group alive. And here's something fascinating. Many psychologists believe humans evolved to enjoy exactly this kind of environment. A warm shelter, people you trust, a fire, rain outside. Sound familiar? Even today, millions of people love staying inside during storms, watching movies, drinking coffee, reading books, listening to rain hit the window. Maybe that's not a coincidence. Maybe part of your brain still remembers those ancient shelters. Rainy days may have also inspired creativity. Some of humanity's earliest cave art could have been created during periods when outdoor activity was limited. With extra time available, people painted, experimented, imagined, created symbols, and slowly built culture itself. So did ancient humans get bored? Probably. But boredom isn't always a bad thing. Boredom pushes the brain to explore, invent, create, think. Without boredom, humanity may never have developed many of the ideas that change the world. The next time you're trapped inside because of bad weather, remember this. For thousands of years, your ancestors experienced the exact same thing. The difference is that instead of scrolling endlessly on a phone, they talked, created, learned, planned, and strengthened the relationships that helped humanity survive. Maybe rainy days were never wasted days. Maybe they were some of the most important days of all.